Future Makers.
It's not that often that you hear the words playful and engineering in the same sentence. If you're gonna human, you're gonna have to solve problems. Demco invited Future Makers to create sparks for their new Makerspace Cart because they integrate design challenges and social emotional learning. We know educators want their learners to have playful learning experiences. Sparks can be personal or collaborative projects, which makes it easy to integrate the big ideas behind why and how things work with the problem solving and communication needed to get things done well. I love seeing librarians and classroom teachers join in alongside their learners and build a machine that has a mouth that opens and closes, or a motorized straw creature that wiggles and runs all over the table. They're all building confidence and concrete skills and experiencing joy. It's great to partner with a company like Demco who supports our why, that hands-on materials spark playful engineering and make learning accessible, meaningful, and joyful for learners and educators alike.
Future Makers.